Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alicia Lifestyle, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you're my returning subscriber, karibu tena na tena. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. So guys, in today's video I want to update on what has been happening here at our Mwea home. We had two major projects, that is the wall along the fence and the cabros. So I want to give you an update. And guys, as you can see, the cabros have already been laid. So guys, there's this design here. As you come in towards the gate, there's this design. So we laid the cabros where the wheels will be. So the work has not yet been finished. We'll still do some work here that we'll show you later. As you go, so guys, as you go towards the homestead, this is also the design of the cabros. So the cabros have been laid. Though the work has not yet been complete, there's that machine that will, it's called a compressor.
Compactor.
Oh, compactor. The machine for compacting the cabros, they'll bring it later on to compact so that it can be well leveled. Yeah. And then over here, there are these cabs that have been placed, these cabs. And over here in the middle, we'll be laying some slabs that will be leading towards the house. They are not yet ready, so once they are ready, we'll place them and then we'll also show you. So over here we have this round flower bed. So it was made, and later on we'll be filling it with sand, not sand, sorry, with soil mixed with manure, and then we'll go look for nice flowers to come and plant here. Yeah, so this round flower bed is really nice. So we are looking forward to planting flowers here. Yeah, so that our homestead can look nice. And then I also want to update you on the wall. The wall is ready. It's not yet complete, but I can say it's like 95% complete, because the wall has been done completely and the coping has been laid. So let's just go closer. Yeah, so this is the wall. There's just minor work that is remaining, so the workers will come and finish up. And then over here, because of the trees that we cut, there's a lot of logs, branches, so we want to remove them. Even these tree stumps like this one, we want to remove them and move them to the farm, so that this place can be clear. And we'll also do something here that we'll show you later on. So guys, that's the update I wanted to give you. The workers are not yet here. They'll come and continue with the work that they've been doing. Yes. Just take the water. Okay. Yes. Dirty. Don't touch that, okay? Let's go eat. Now see you are touching that again. Watch out. We look for the best mango. This one. Let me cut for you this one. So we got some more cabros. Some cabros were delivered today. So here they are. So on Monday we will be able to resume the work, the cabro works here at the garage. So this is where the garage is, and this is where the cabro will be installed. So Monday this place will be laid with cabros, and the cabro work will be complete after that. So the updates on the wall is that today the finishing work on the joints was started. So on the inside, this is the far they have reached.
They have done like half of the wall on the inside. The inside had more work because it's a rough side, but they have made some progress. Same time, we had a team that was working on these tree stumps to at least remove the soil from between the roots so that this can be split into smaller pieces and we'll be able to carry them and to use them as firewood. So there are a number of them, there are quite a number of them, but quite a bit of them have been cleaned. Now we can use the power saw to cut them up and move them. This one here is a big one. So they've been able to remove soil, but I see at the bottom side there's still some bit of soil. So what we'll do, we'll cut up what we can and see if we can be able to split it to small pieces. This is a closer look of how the wall looks on the inside. Here's a closer look. It's not very smooth because this is the rough side of the wall, but they have tried to make it as beautiful as it can be. We are not going to plaster. It's going to be like this, and according to me, this I think is okay. This is okay. We also installed some drain holes. These are drain. There are 3 of them. So there is this one. There is another one over there. We are yet to open it up, and I think the other one should be further on. So these are holes. Just in case we have a bit of flooding here, then we can have this water draining to the outside. I don't think we'll have that problem. We don't have flooding incidences here, but just in case it happens, then the water will be able to drain to the outside. So this is the wall. This is the wall on the outside side. This one, the finish has been done. Most of the work here was plastering on the columns. And they have done all of them. And this is the finish at the gate. We have the old wall here, and that's the new wall. So they have tied both of them. You can't be able to know. I think once this dries, it will be quite good. I think these lights, because you've increased the height of the wall, we'll have to work on where these lights have been mounted. Just put them up a little so that it looks good. Now it doesn't look very good. We'll have to work on this column, just raise it up, maybe another half a meter. That should be okay, and then we mount the light. The same thing to the light on this other side. And also, this wall here is not the same height as the one we've just built. So you're going to add one more line to bring this wall to the same height as the new wall that we have done. So this is the old wall. This one was there. We are going to increase the height of that wall.